An object's position as a function of time is modeled by the equation x equals 0.5 t cubed plus 2, where x is in meters and t is in seconds. What is the acceleration of the object at t equals 3 seconds? You should pause now and try to get the answer on your own. Clearly, the question calls for an analysis of derivatives. Remember that the derivative of position is velocity, and the derivative of velocity is acceleration. Then, the velocity function is 1.5 t squared, and the acceleration function is a of t equals 3t. At t equals 3 seconds, the acceleration has a value of 9.0 meters per second squared, which is option B. Thank you for watching. See you next time.